Guys and gals, welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be unboxing this mini doorbell camera. Go ahead and get started. Right out of the box, we've got some paperwork on how to use it, adhesive, more paperwork, and we've got the doorbell camera itself. So there's the camera, there's your doorbell. Oh, it's already charged and entering pairing mode. And your doorbell, sound, the USB plug-in, so you plug that inside your house, have that outside. And here is your close-up. Feel free to pause the video, check out the instructions. And here is the doorbell itself. And the plug-in. And then this adhesive pad goes in the back. Stick the doorbell on. Alright guys and gals, so that's what's in the box. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to share and comment below. Thanks. See ya.